Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a friendship bracelet. So I'm just making a bracelet with 3 cardboard paper. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna make 3 straight lines, and then we get right into it. So I'm basically gonna try to do this. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here, and let's start. Okay, so first thing is going to use a pencil, and I'm going to draw the lines so y'all can kind of see. So I'm gonna draw 3 straight lines. I don't know how it's gonna turn, but we're gonna make 3 straight lines. Okay. And I have 2 more vlogs, guys. So when I finish the 2 vlogs, if you guys want me to do more crafts, let me know in the comments, okay? And I'll do. But I want to finish my 2 vlogs first. But I'm doing this today because I want to do a promise to you guys. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna get some scissors and then I'll come back. All right, guys. I'm back. So now I'm gonna start cutting the straight lines. They're not really straight to that, but we do how we do the best we can, okay? Yes, I'm very happy that you guys are enjoying these type of vlogs, because I want to do vlogs that you guys enjoy and I enjoy. Not like say I don't mind doing the vlogs you guys want me to do. I don't mind that because you guys are my subscribers. Like, I would never, ever, ever give up on you guys. Okay, so I gotta cut about, I made this one too long, so I gotta cut it about here. Yeah, I made this one too long, so I'm gonna cut it about here. And then turn it. Okay. Yeah, I made this one too long. Okay, guys. I made the line a little bit too long, so I still may have to cut an inch. Yeah, I have to cut an inch on this one. It's an inch. I have to match the inch like about here. Yeah, about an inch. That's the thing about making these things. You want to match how you're doing your stuff, because if it doesn't work, it's not going to work out. Like this one, I made it way. I'm going to use my device again. So I have to cut this paper now. Okay, so now I'm cutting, and now I'm going to go here. Okay. All right. So now I cut them into 3 sets of different colors. Okay, now I'm going to make the bracelet. So how this is going to work, I might have to glue this, and then I have to wrap it, I think, right? Or can I? Yeah, I think I have to. Yeah, I think I gotta use. Yeah, let me see. I'm gonna try with. Let me see something. I'm gonna try something with some tape, because I honestly don't like using the glue. I don't mind it, but sometimes it sticks too much. So I'm gonna try and try and stick them like this. Okay, so now I Now I have to stick the bottom of it now. Okay, so I'm gonna stick it like this actually. Like this. Okay. Now I'm gonna try to see if I can make the bracelet. Okay, so here it is. So what I'm gonna do is try to see if I can wrap it to like a bracelet. Okay, so I'm going to fold it like this, fold it like this. Like this. Wait. Let me just see how I'm doing now because I don't know. I need to see like the video bits. Oh, maybe I should tape this side. Let me try something. Okay. Let's see the video, guys. We got I did something wrong, guys. So how am I supposed to do the bracelet? I should have turned it like this. Okay. So I'm gonna turn it like this. I didn't even need this piece, but we're gonna put it like this into it then. Could be 2 sets of bracelets then. Okay. So I didn't need this piece. I didn't need this piece. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape it. I didn't need this piece, guys. So that's why I was like, something's off. So we're gonna cut off that piece. I didn't need this piece. Okay. That's why I was like, something's off. Okay. So now there's a friendship bracelet. If you want, you can make it a little smaller. For me, I'm gonna make it like this size. Cause my hand is very, my little hands are very small. So this should be good enough. Yeah, so I did it wrong before. I don't know what I was doing. Okay. I did it wrong before, guys. You see, that's why sometimes I'm like, let me see how they did it. So now I'm gonna make it a little small. And then you can use glue, but honestly I don't want any glue. Tired of the glue. It's stuck in my hands. And then we get like another piece. And then we just tape it on like that. And there you go. There is your friendship bracelet. I don't know what I was doing. And if you want, you can make this into a smaller. This won't fit, but you can make like a little mini ring bracelet if you want. So you can add that to the video then. A little, I don't know, mini bracelet or hand bracelet. Okay. It's not great. Here's a friendship. This way. Here's a friendship bracelet. You can make a little mini hand or ring bracelet for your hand. Okay, guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. I made a mistake. I don't know what I was doing, but comment down below what you guys think about my friendship bracelet, little hand mini bracelet. And I hope you guys enjoy. Now I have 2 more vlogs that I'm going to be doing. I might do one over the weekend, and then my last one will be this week. Not this week, but next week maybe. And then if you guys want me to continue to do these, I will do that, okay? But just let me know. So yeah, guys, let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to continue. If you guys want me to continue that, I will do that. And the reason why I'm glad you guys are enjoying this, because a subscriber said they want me to do this, and I say, you know what, you guys are kind of into these type of videos, so why not I do these type of video. And I want to do videos that you guys enjoy, and I want to do videos that I enjoy, not videos that you guys are not gonna like. And I understand most of you guys might not like the videos I've done before, so I will do these if you want me to continue. And if you think that's okay, that's okay. And if you guys feel like, say, I'm tired of doing these ones and you want me to do something else, you let me know in the comments too, and I'll do that, okay? Because you guys are my subscribers, you guys are my supporters, and I'll be so happy. Whatever you guys want me to do, I'll do. But if there's something that you guys don't want me to do, yeah, you can let me know, and I will agree and do something different. Because I don't mind doing something like this and doing makeup tutorials or doing ASMR vlogs or doing makeup tutorial, like something that you guys will enjoy, you know what I'm saying? So I'll try my best to do vlogs that you guys enjoy. So if you guys want me to do more of these, I will do. I think you guys are into these, so I'm very, very grateful that you guys are into these type of vlogs. I'm not gonna lie, I like these type of vlogs. They're fun. Even the ones like the ASMR and the jewelry and, you know, all these type of vlogs that you guys are into. And I know vlogs like that you guys like, so I would do those ones. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I'll see you guys on today's vlog, tomorrow's vlog, Sunday's vlog, Monday's vlog, and Wednesday's vlog. And I'll probably put this like in the week. And I have 2 more vlogs to complete. I'll finish them. So I'm going to finish those 2, and then that will be it. And if you guys want me to do this, let me know. I'll do more of these. And that will be it, okay? But I hope you guys enjoy. Follow me on my social media. See you guys in my next one. I love you. Stay safe. Take care of yourself. And enjoy the rest of the day, okay? Bye.